Talk about staying healthy. We often go right to diet or exercise, but how do we keep our brains healthy?
It's important to do that. And in this week's Wellness Wednesday, I look at some of the basic steps to prevent cognitive problems as we age. The brain is the human body's most complex organ. It controls our thoughts, our memory, our speech, and our movements.
We take it for granted. People don't realize how important it is to have proper brain health until they begin to see changes in it. And that's when they realize, how difficult life has become.
Difficulties Enloe Health Neurologist Dr. Paramjit Singh says can be avoided.
Some people will say their brain feels foggy. They have difficulty multitasking.
Or you often lose your train of thought, or you become more forgetful. For so many people, these symptoms are a result of unhealthy habits.
Not getting exercise, not paying attention to their blood pressure,
or not eating right, or not getting a proper amount of sleep, excessive alcohol use, or other substance abuse. Dr. Singh calls these modifiable risk factors, meaning you can do something about it.
In medicine, we say that there is a strong link between your heart health and your brain health. So everything that is good for your heart is good for your brain.
So, aerobic exercise, maybe walking 30 minutes 4 or 5 times a week. Develop a diet that is rich in fresh produce and nuts and a moderate amount of fish and poultry, avoiding saturated fats and fried foods. If you are in your 50s or 60s, and you're not living the best life, healthy life that you can be, but can you turn it around? Can you turn brain health around?
Yes, it's never too late. Mm-hmm. So, pay attention to your sleep, your stress or emotional health. If you have depression, get that treated.
Yes, there's that too. Dr. Singh says untreated depression could result in dementia later in life. So be kind to yourself, take care of your brain health, and avoid one day having to make an appointment with a specialist like Dr. Singh.
Because by the time a patient comes in to see me for their memory concerns, the things have already set in.
And Dr. Singh says there's a direct correlation between being able to maintain your brain functions as you age and your level of education. So that's something for parents to keep in mind as they guide their children toward adulthood.